Alright, real talk. You've been doing push-ups. A lot of them. Maybe you're at 100 a day. Maybe you're more dedicated than that. And you're looking in the mirror thinking, why do I still look like a coat hanger in a t-shirt? You know that feeling when you buy a shirt you think is gonna look fire and then you put it on and it just hangs? Yeah, that's the problem. Here's the thing nobody tells you. 90% of shoulder exercises miss the muscle that actually builds width. The one that makes you look like you take up space. The side delt. And in the next few minutes, I'm giving you 3 moves that fix this in 21 days. Daily, no equipment, real transformation. Most guys chase chest and arms. Dead end. Everyone's got a big chest. Not everyone's got those capital letter shoulders that fill out a doorway. In 21 days, if you do this daily, your shoulders will have more dimension, more thickness, more presence. This is the cheat code for aesthetics. And the best part, you don't need a gym. You need exactly what's in your home right now. Move 1, the leaning dumbbell lateral raise. Here's exactly how to do it. Set up, grab a light dumbbell, or a water bottle, or a backpack, doesn't matter. Stand beside a sturdy door frame. Hold the frame with your free hand. Bring your feet close to the base. Now lean your entire body away from the door, like you're being pulled by gravity. Let your arm hang completely dead at your side. Now raise the dumbbell out to the side. Slow, controlled, no jerking. Why leaning? Because you're shifting the resistance curve. You're putting maximum tension on your side delt right from the bottom. Full range, full stimulus. Keep your shoulders pushed down, down. If you shrug toward your ears, you're working your traps, not your delts. That's ego lifting and it doesn't work. 3 sets of 15 reps. High reps, perfect form. Lower it slowly on the way down. That eccentric, the lowering phase, is where the growth happens. Do this daily. Your shoulders will literally inflate. Move 2, face pulls. You're hunched over a desk 8, 10, 12 hours a day. Your posture is garbage. Your rear delts are completely dead. And that's why even when your front shoulders grow, your frame still looks flat from the back. Face pulls fix that. They do something no other movement does. They build rear delt width, and they force your whole shoulder backward. They're a posture reset. Take a thick towel or a resistance band, anchor it to the top of a door, grab it with both hands, step back so there's tension. You should feel slight resistance even with your arms extended. Pull toward your face, your forehead. As you pull, here's the magic. Violently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine you're trying to crack a walnut right in the middle of your upper back. That squeeze is the entire point. Don't jerk. Don't use momentum. This is pure control. 3 sets of 20 reps. Slow, burning. If it doesn't burn, you're not squeezing hard enough. Do this daily for 21 days. Your rotator cuff gets bulletproof. Move 3, the Pike push-up. Forget expensive machines. Forget complicated setups. This one movement forces your shoulders and triceps to move serious percentage of your body weight. Get on the floor, hands shoulder width apart. Get into a downward dog position. Your hips are high in the air. Now walk your feet in toward your hands. Keep your legs straight. Your hips should be even higher now. You're making an upside down V shape. Your head and hands should form a triangle. Don't lower your head directly between your hands. Lower it slightly in front of your fingers. This shifts the angle and puts more load on your shoulders. Your elbows stay tucked back at a 45-degree angle. This isn't a wide arm position. Lower the top of your head toward the floor. Control, no dropping. Lower until you feel maximum tension in your shoulders. Pause for 1 second. Now push the floor away from you. Push hard, like you're trying to move the earth. Explosive up, slow down. 3 sets of 8 to 10 perfect reps. If you can't do a full pike, modification. Bend your knees slightly or do it off a chair, but do not skip it. Do as many perfect reps as you can until near failure. This move is brutally tough. Your shoulders will scream. Now, 3 mistakes that kill your results. Mistake 1, wrong weight selection. You grab too heavy. Your ego takes over. You do 5 reps with sloppy form and call it a set. Stop. For lateral raises, the weight should be light enough that you can control it at the bottom. You're not impressing anyone. You're training yourself. Light weight, high reps, perfect form beats heavy weight and garbage reps every single time. Mistake 2, no mind muscle connection. You go through the motions, you do the reps, but you're not actually feeling your shoulders work. You're just moving weight from point A to point B. That's why you see no results. Slow down, focus, feel the muscle contract. On face pulls, actually squeeze your shoulder blades. On pike push-ups, feel your shoulders stabilizing. Mistake 3, inconsistency. You do these moves for 3 days, then you forget, then you do them again next week. 21 days means 21 consecutive days. Daily, no excuses. That's the protocol. That's what builds the transformation you see in the thumbnail. What to avoid. Here's the fixed focus version. If you're doing lateral raises standing straight, lean away from the anchor point. Instant tension increase. If your rear delts feel nothing on face pulls, you're not squeezing hard enough. Your shoulder blades should feel like they're trying to touch. Exaggerate the squeeze. If pike push-ups feel like they're all triceps, your hands are too wide. Move them closer together, your elbows tucked tighter. This shifts the load onto your shoulders. If you're not seeing shoulder growth, you're probably doing these 3 to 4 times a week, not daily. The 21-day protocol requires consistency. Daily stimulus is what builds the transformation. Here's your move. Starting today, you're doing these 3 exercises daily. All 3, no skipping. The protocol: leaning dumbbell lateral raises, 3 times 15 face pulls, 3 times 20 pike push-ups, 3 times 8 to 10 takes 12 to 15 minutes. Do it in the morning before anything else or at night before bed. Doesn't matter, just do it. Day 1 to 7, you'll feel the pump. You'll feel your shoulders working in a way they never have before. Day 8 to 14, you'll start seeing definition. Your side delts will have shape. Your frame will look wider. Day 21, you'll open your shirt in the mirror and see the exact transformation in that thumbnail. From narrow to wide, real difference. Start today. 21 days. Transform your shoulders. Drop a comment. Which of these 3 moves are you most excited to hit tomorrow? Hit like, subscribe so you stop training like a rookie, and get to work.